Welcome back, listeners. And today's cue card topic is describe a risk you have taken which had a positive result. In this क्यू कार्ड हमें ये बताना है कि कोई भी रिस्क जो हमने अपनी लाइफ में लिया था जिसका रिजल्ट आखिरी में आकर पॉजिटिव निकला. द फॉलो अप क्वेश्चंस आर व्हाट इट वाज, व्हाई यू टुक इट, व्हाट द रिजल्ट वाज एंड हाउ डू यू फील अबाउट इट. इसमें हमें बताना है कि जो रिस्क लिया था वो क्या था, क्यों आपने वो रिस्क लिया, उसके रिज़ल्ट क्या थे और आपको कैसा लगा वो रिस्क लेने के बाद या वो. तो लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस क्यू का टॉपिक विद द सिंपल आंसर. Being an adventurous person, I love taking risks. Some of them become fruitful and rest result in failure. Recently, I had taken a chance which produced a favorable outcome. 1 year back, I used to be very bulky. To lose weight, I tried a lot of options like running, swimming, gymming, and so on. But I was not getting good results. During that period, one of my friends introduced me to Dr. Rimple Sharma. She was a renowned dietitian. After listening to my side of the story, she suggested two changes in my diet. Firstly, not to eat anything between 7 p.m. to 7 a.m., which means not taking dinner after 7 p.m. and not having anything. My original opinion was that for losing weight, the best way to do a lot of physical workouts, and if you don't sufficient exercise every day, you can have any diet as per your taste and liking. Due to my this inherent conviction, the suggestions made by Dr. Rimple Sharma sounded a bit weird to me because before meeting her, I had implicit faith in the belief that the easiest way to lose weight is to do a lot of exercise. Whereas per my doctor, the contribution of the right diet in the weight loss journey is 80% and the share of physical workout in the same is just 20%. Although not convinced, I thought of giving a try. It was a mighty risk for because my habit of having dinner at 10 p.m. was a deep rooted one. Many people had warned me and suggested that such a drastic change in eating time could have disastrous repercussions. But in a bid to lose weight, I persisted with Dr. Rimple's suggestion. The primary reason behind changing my thought process was the previous theory of focusing on physical work for weight loss backfired in my case. Instead of getting in shape, I was turning obese. I followed her advice with determination, dedication, and discipline. Due to her unabated support and my changed thinking process, I managed to achieve the desired weight. Not only I lose weight, but I started feeling more confident and energetic. This change in belief brought a paradigm shift in my life. I felt quite happy because the risk I had taken paid me and my life moved towards an impressive growth trajectory. This was the sample cue card.